Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today we are going to solve another C++ practical question. So this is the question that we are going to solve today. This is the question.
One large chemical company pays its salespeople on a commission basis. The salespeople each receive $200 per week plus 9% of their gross sales. For that week, for example, a salesperson who sells $5,000 worth of chemicals in a week receives $200 plus 9% of $5,000, or a total of $650. Develop a C++ program inputs each salesperson's gross sales for last week and calculates and displays that salesperson's earnings. Process one salesperson's figures at a time.
But before we be able to solve this question, you have to first understand the question and know what the question is expecting from us, so that we will be able to provide. Okay, so this is the question. Okay, so I'm coming. This is what. Okay, sorry, I'm coming. This is what. Let me choose red. Okay, red rather. Okay, red. This is what the question is expecting from us to do. Okay, so this is what question is expecting from us. Okay, yeah. So say we should develop C++ program that inputs user's name. Okay, so let's start in prompting the user to input in the name. So let's first create our variables. So create variables. Okay, variables that we are going to use in our program. So we are going to create variables. So we first create a constant variable. Okay, so const. So double. Okay, so fixed payment, fixed payment, fixed pay. Okay, let me make it fixed pay, fixed payment. Okay, so fixed payment is equal to, this is the fixed payment, that's okay, so this is the fixed payment, that's the 200. Okay, this is the fixed payment. Okay, so we are going to make it 200. Okay, so we are going to declare the rest of our variables here. Okay, so double. Okay, so we are going to declare the sorry extra extra payment. Okay, extra payment, and also the gross gross sales. Okay, the gross sales, and also um and also sorry and also we are going to declare our sale person, so the person's name. Okay, so let me make it one. Okay, so here we are going to prompt the user to enter a name. Okay, sorry, see out, enter, sorry, enter your name. Okay, enter your name. Okay, so let me bring my end line. Okay, so see in, and salesperson. Okay, salesperson. Okay, so let me come here. Let me come here and okay. So here, we're going to prompt the user to enter. We're going to prompt the user to enter um the gross sale. Okay, so enter your gross gross sale. Okay, so let me bring my end line. So seeing gross sale. So okay, so this one, let me, if you press control plus space, it will open this one for you. So here i'm going to i'm going to calculate for the extra payment. Okay, sorry, I'm going to calculate for the extra payment. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to say the extra payment is equal to the gross sale, okay, the gross sale multiply by 0.09. Okay, so we are calculating for um the 9% of the gross sale. Okay, so here we are going to we are going to um okay, I'm coming here. We are going to calculate. Okay, we are going to calculate for the extra earning. Okay, so let's add earning to our declare variables. Okay, so earning so earning. Okay, so earning is equal to, okay, the extra payment plus, sorry, extra payment plus plus the fixed payment. Okay, that's the 200. Okay, so the fixed payment. Okay, okay, so let me bring mine. So here we are going to display okay, so we are going to display, sorry, we are going to display the earning, sorry, the earning. Oh, I'm going to display the earning. Okay, so the, okay, so see out. So let's say, so let's bring the salesperson's name first, okay, before you bring a message. Okay, so let's say your your earning your earning for last week was was okay. Then we bring our earning, okay, to earning. Then we bring our end line. Let's bring our end line. Okay, so we are almost done with the question. So let's run and see whether there is no error. Okay, so see there is no error. So it is asking me to enter the name, my name. Okay, so let me say Kelvin. Okay, so it didn't allow me to enter the gross sale, which means there is an error in some part. So let's go back to our codes. Let's go back to our codes and see. Okay, so here let me display the salesperson's name. Okay, so that's string, and let me copy this one. Okay, let me cut it and come and paste it here. Okay, okay, let me clean this one from there. Okay, so now we have done the mistake, so let's run it and see whether there is any error again. Okay, so see it is running and it is asking me to enter my name. Okay, so let me say Kelvin. Okay, you see, enter your gross sale. So let's say 2,000. Okay, you see, Kelvin, your earning for last week was 380. Okay, so we are done with the question. So this, let me show you to you. This, you see, Kelvin, your last earning for last week. Okay, so this is the earning. You see, this is the results. Okay, so we are done with our question. We are done with anything that the question is expecting from us. Okay, so this is the question and this is the answer. Okay, this is the answers. Okay, so if you find this video useful, make sure you like and follow for more videos like this. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.